So today, I'm just gonna come into the shop and I'm just gonna cut out a few little pieces out of this to make a little excavator. Gonna pre-drill the holes, sand them, get them set up, and then bring Haddo in here so that we can put together a little excavator and teach him how to use a drill. I think it'd be fun to just pre-cut the pieces and then have him put it together. Should be a fun little project. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up all the little pieces for him. This is just freehand, nothing's planned out. I just had an idea in my head. So yeah, let's go for it. Decided to build Haddo a little excavator. As you'll see in the video, I just whipped out a few little parts and cut them up and then put it together. It's nothing exciting, it's nothing to write home about, but I gotta admit, he's pretty happy with it. Everything is functioning as it should. So, you know, if you're being, you know, quarantined, or you got an extra 14 days on your hands, why not go into your shop, bang out a little excavator for your kid? He absolutely loved working on this, as you'll see from the video. He loved painting this. It was a great family project. So, I mean, you know, look at the bright side of things. We got to spend some family time in the shop. We got to build a little excavator. This thing's pretty rad. I mean, it doesn't roll on its own. I'll paint some little wheels on there or something. Yeah, it was a fun little project. And I think it'll work, you know, a little scoop. Yeah, it's fun. Go into your shop, build something. Doesn't matter if it's ugly. I mean, hey, we all had children. I'm sure it'll turn out fine after it's all grown up. I'm talking about the excavator, not the children. Go out, build something, do something fun. Make sure to stay tuned. Next video, I promise, I know I keep saying this, will be the Bulldozer Bed reveal. I promise. But I'm delaying it because I like the tease. And I also wanted to have a little bit of fun. So yeah, enjoy. I'll catch you on the next one.